Hello and namaste. Welcome to Biomed Diaries. Today we are going to understand titration in pharmaceutical analysis. What is it, why it is used, and its main type, all in a simple way. If you are a pharmacy or biomedical student, this topic is a super important for practical exam and quality analysis. What is titration? So titration is a quantitative analysis methods used to determine the concentration or amount of a drug substances. In a simple word, we can add a known solution called titrant to an unknown solution until a reaction is complete. The point where the reaction just finishes is called the ED. Why titration is important in pharmaceutical? So titration is widely used in pharmaceutical analysis to determine drug purity, estimate active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, check acid-base balance, ensure quality control of medicine. That's why titration is a core lab techniques in pharmaceutical. So main types of titration are acid-base titration, used when the drug is acidic or basic. Example, hydrochloric acid versus sodium hydrochloride. Indicator used are phenolphthalein or methyl orange. So the second one is redox titration, based on oxidation and reduction reaction. Examples are potassium permanganate titration, used for drugs like iron preparation. Precipitation titration, used in a precipitation is formed. Example, estimation of chloride using silver nitrate. So the fourth one is complementary titration. So it involves formation of a complex. Example, estimation of calcium or magnesium using EDTA. So end point versus equivalent point. So end point are the exact point where reaction completes, and the end points are where indicator changes color. In practical lab, we observe the end points. So titration is a simple, accurate and essential method in pharmaceutical analysis. It helps ensure that medicine is safe, effective and of a good quality. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, share and subscribe to Biomed Diaries. Thank you.